What's up, guys? Day 2 with my business, pressure washing business. I already filled up my pressure washing. I got my 50-50 mix. Got the surfactant and the sodium hypochlorite with the water. Got it ready. Go over here. Got my chemicals just in case. Got my gas if I need extra. Got my surface cleaner. Got my water hose. Let me double check this real quick. Okay, yeah. Alright, nice. So we're good to go. Let's see. I just came back from the gym, so I'm a little sweaty, but let's go. I'll let y'all know whenever I get a free driveway on the way. And yeah, let's go. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so I did get this lady was down for me to let her do her driveway, so we're gonna do it right here. We're gonna do this whole driveway right here. We're gonna stop right here, and then we're gonna do it right here also, fix up that area. Right here we're gonna do this wood, all this sidewalk, all right here. You can see some algae right here. Yeah, guys, wish me luck. All my stuff ready, guys. We got my surface cleaner, my water hose, my chemical. I might add some more water though. Got my 50-50 mix right there. My car is over there. Yeah, guys, we're gonna clean this driveway up, and I'll let y'all know the results. Finish up this driveway. I'm gonna give myself a timer and see how fast I do it. So let's go. Show you how dirty this driveway is. You can see the difference with just the pressure washer. We'll be able to see more of it whenever we pass the surface cleaner, so stay tuned for that. Let's go. So we did all the surfaces. You can see the difference of the color of it being clean and the dirtiness. You can just see the difference on that. So yeah, and then I'll do this area too. So let's go. Wish me luck, guys. Finish up at least the driveway and just let them know that it's raining, so I won't be able to finish it, but at least I got to do the driveway. It's okay. It's raining, but oh well. Alright guys, so I won't be able to finish. There goes for you. I was able to take a before and after, but not through the whole driveway, but I was able to finish the driveway only. Hopefully this is waterproof, because boy, I got all my stuff though. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Man, I'm wet. The lady liked it though. She I might have a client soon, so hopefully that works. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Follow the socials. If you ever want your driveway clean, just hit me up. I got you, full service. And yeah, man, Super J's out. Guys, we made it back home. I'm soaking wet, and it would stop when I get home. The rain will stop when I get home, but it's okay. Make sure y'all like the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I lost my AirPod, guys. It's okay. It's not okay, actually. I lost my AirPod. There goes my video for today. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We're gonna put all this stuff back. And yeah, man. See y'all on the next video. Let's go.